Today, we're diving deep into the mechanical design of bikes in Akira. Let's take a closer look at Kaneda's bike. First up, the iconic Kaneda's bike.
コンピューター制御のアンチロックブレーキと12000回転の200馬力
It's reminiscent of Sid Mead's futuristic style and stands out from the boxy designs that were popular in the 1980s. Sid Mead was a conceptual artist who worked on iconic movies like Tron, 1982, Blade Runner, and Star Trek. In interviews, Katsuhiro Otomo mentioned that the bike in Akira was inspired by Tron. In Japan, during the late 70s and 80s, you could see many bikes like this. They've since become collector's items and still have a passionate fanbase today. Models like the Katana and Ninja are particularly famous, with fans all over the world. Brands like Suzuki, Kawasaki, and Honda fiercely competed during that era. Tetsuo's bike scene gives off major Easy Rider vibes. It's reminiscent of an American bike like a Harley-Davidson Chopper, with its low seat, forward foot positioning, long forks, and curved handlebars. So cool!
Get your motor running. Head out on the highway. Looking for adventure.
Otomo himself was heavily influenced by American new cinema when he was younger. And you can see that influence here. The scene where a capsule is dropped into the gas tank feels like a homage to Easy Rider. Kaneda's bike is a major highlight in the anime, but the detailed depiction in the original manga is truly stunning. For instance, the tires are entirely hand-drawn. That analog craftsmanship is just breathtaking. So today, we explored the mechanical design in Akira, focusing on the bikes. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.